This ladder is super convenient. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of the 16-foot telescoping ladder. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This thing is pretty awesome. It's compact, making it easy to store, easy to move around, but at the same time, it extends to just over 16 feet tall. And yes, it's pretty sturdy. It has a very easy to use locking system. You pull up on each section of the ladder and it locks right into place. Then to close it, you can see the locking mechanisms here. You push those in, push down, and the ladder is going to close. Or you can set the rungs at whatever height you want to. I think that the fact that this is so easily adjustable is what makes it so awesome. If you do need a short ladder, you can make it short. If you need it taller, you can make it taller. If you need to reach those windows to wash some windows, you can make it tall enough to go right up there. I also like that it has a nice strap and a handle to make it easy to move around. Like I said, this thing is pretty cool. It's easy to transport, it's easy to store, it's super sturdy. Jamie went up and down it with no issue. This might become our new RV ladder since it folds down so compact. If you're looking for a great telescoping ladder, we recommend this.